Normally they will pour in water for me. I will just call and say I'm coming, so please put in water for me, and that saves me time because when I arrive, I sort the laundry and start washing right away. So today I just went there, and I think my mom was not around. Yeah, she was not around. They went to a church meeting. So I just went there and started by putting water. As you can see, that hose pipe is providing small, like the water is running so slow. So them pouring water for me first saves me some time. Yeah. Welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. We are going to be doing laundry, and it's a weekly thing that I do every single Saturday. If not Saturday, sometimes on Sunday, depending on what I will be doing on Saturday. So I prefer to do laundry on Saturday, and it was raining back then. Few past weeks it was raining every day, and I took advantage that if Saturday is a good day, why not do the laundry? Because I cannot be piling up laundry in the house for 2 weeks. And Sunday, sometimes it turns out not to be in good weather. It might rain the whole day, or if not rain, or being cold. So Saturday for me works perfectly. Let's sort the laundry and start washing.
I can't take it anymore.
So this month is a month of Omo washing powder. This month is a month of Omo washing powder, and me eyeballing my powder, I think it's not good. I must make measurements, guys. I think I'm pouring a lot because it doesn't last like the way it used to last before. I think I must buy a container, but the things that I want to buy, the container that I want to buy for laundry, I can't find it. I have something in mind, but I can't find it. Mara, I have a shop that I need to visit. I think I will come up with something better because the laundry containers that they have are really not for them. They do not kick my blood in.
My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Like a volcano. Blow it up like a volcano. What you do, what you do, what you do to me? Can't you see what it means when you set me free? What you do, what you do, what you do to me? Can't you see what it means when you set me free? Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Like a volcano. thunder that comes from far away. It's like a noise in my head. Oh, this world heart, it cuts you deep and leaves the sky. Oh, this world heart, it cuts you deep and leaves the sky. We need to get out, 'cause things fall apart, and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart, and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. All we need to do is to get out of here. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. All we need to do, we need to get out of Oh, this world heart, it cuts you deep and leaves the sky. Oh, this world heart, it cuts you deep and leaves the sky. We need to get out, 'cause things fall apart, and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart, and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of here.
And because of the bad weather, I spin my clothes. But beside that, I always spin my clothes, though that saves them from being outside for the longest time, and it saves my time because I quickly, after drying, I quickly fold it and put it away. So it's a one-day thing.
All these white lies got me hypnotized.
Already here, my younger sister was doing a hand washing of school uniform that was worn on Friday, because they do their laundry on Friday and they'll do it before the schools are out. So this one that you see here, it's a uniform that was done with hands, and my younger sister put it there for me to just rinse it and yeah, put it on the line.
Get out of my head, get into my bed, I'm broken. It's only a matter of time. Shifting my paradigms. You hold me, you hurt me, I'm sinking and drowning, and I don't deserve it. Your heart is frozen. The water is rising, and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Falling, slow motion. You're a tsunami, and I'm just a drop in the ocean.
Guys, I'm always holding this maroon cloth here. I'm obsessed with wiping the machine every time I am putting in laundry in or laundry out. I am so obsessed with wiping it over and over again. I don't know, I don't want to see drops and all that on the machine, and it helps me because when I'm done with the machine, I just rinse it, wipe it inside, and I'm done. The outside is always clean because I always wipe it now and then. I think this is the last load of the day. Yeah, because these are black colors. This is the last load of the day. I'll be done with laundry so soon. So if you're still here, don't forget to leave without subscribing. I love you so much, and guys, you are returning here. I appreciate all the support that you're giving me. And if you are new, thank you for coming in and staying until this far. Please give this video a like. From here, we're going to straight be folding the laundry. I didn't capture the hanging and unhanging or whatsoever related with drying up outside on the line because it was kind of windy, and sometimes I took a risk by doing that when it was windy. And my phone, I use a phone to film my videos. My phone fell down. Fortunately, it had a screen protector, so only the protector cracked. So I didn't want to risk again because this is the only thing that helps me do the videos. I have another phone, which is the one that I do calls, the WhatsApp. It's personal. So it's an old phone that I started filming my videos with. It's very old that the battery doesn't last, so it's fine if I receive calls and make calls only without doing videos on it, because it's gonna give me a problem. It wants to be charged every now and then. So let's fold the laundry, and this is the video of the day. I fold laundry towards when the sun is going to set. I will have been rested enough for the day. Not necessarily rested enough, because after hanging the laundry, I go straight into the kitchen, make sure that the kids have food on the table for lunch and for supper, because I cook once and we eat during the day and in the afternoon. So if you're still here, thank you for sticking around. I love you so much, and please share this video if you can, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep on folding the laundry.
You pick me up and pull me down, hold me up so I don't drown. Got your head up in the clouds, nothing left of us now. Your heart is frozen. The water is rising and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Falling, slow motion. You're a tsunami and I'm just a drop in the ocean.
a lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day.
The video is about to come to an end. Thank you guys for watching, and please stick around for more. I upload 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Love you. Ciao, ciao.